may not. So this is the Travis Scott collaboration with Fragment brand. And as you can see, this box comes in a clear plastic sleeve. You got Fragment design logos on the side. You got Nike Air logos, and you got Travis Scott logos, Cactus Jack logos on there. Taking off the box, blue inside. You got a stamp here. And this smells amazing. Just that new shoe smell, man. I love it. So you got pink tissue paper. So that reverse swoosh comes in a creamy colorway, and it has like a raw edge. It has like a red hue to it, if you can see that. So we got the first shoe. It's the right shoe right here. So on the outer side of the shoe, you got that reverse swoosh, my favorite part of this shoe. On the side, you got a black toe box mudguard that extends out. Black on leather panels here. White inner panel right there. Creamy outsole. You got a real creamy color on the tongue. All around. You got a black upper, blue upper, a blue inside, and extra laces. On this shoe, you got cream colored laces. Sail colored, cream colored. Cactus Jack logo here. Nike Air in blue letters on the tongue here, tongue tab. I got these in a size 8.5. And you got Nike Air on the insole. This shoe has a blue bottom. So blue bottom, a nice white toe box on both shoes. On this right hand shoe, and then you got the Fragment design on this left hand shoe. So the first where you got the extra laces, you got black wax laces, blue wax laces, and then a regular pink laces for your heels. Have embroidered logos. You got Jordan logo, wing logo here, and you got the Travis Scott Cactus Jack logo here. You got leather heel tabs with a stitched in logo. And then, coolest part of the shoe to me, other than the reverse swoosh, you got stamped Fragment design on the left shoe, on the right shoe, and a Cactus Jack logo on the left shoe. Man, the leather on this is really nice. Standard leather, nothing too crazy. But as far as this reverse swoosh, I wish they would have done the rest of the shoe in this type of leather. It's a little thicker. And you can see a nice cut. It has like I said, it has a red hue on the inside of it. I'll see if the camera can pick that up. I really wish they'd have done that. Some other signature things about this shoe is on this shoe you have a Fragment 21. It's FA 21. Some more letters, Travis, Hiroshi, tooling code, and it has another number there. So that's right here on the bottom of the sole. And both shoes have that on the inside. On the inner panels, you have black swoosh, white leather panel here, and then on the inside, if you look, you have a Cactus Jack, like in a 3M, gloss letters in the inside. It's kind of hard to see, but both of them have it. Both shoes have the Cactus Jack logo right here on the inside of the black swoosh. So standard swooshes on the inside, reverse swooshes on the outside. Nice wax laces. I forgot to mention these are waxed creamy laces. Smooth leather throughout. The toe box on this shoe is a little bit wider than your standard Jordan 1 low. It's more of a 1985 pair where the toe box was a little bit wider. Differences are very minor compared to the other Jordan 1 lows. The shoe's gonna feel the same. You're gonna walk the same. Nothing too crazy on the technology. Blue outsole on both of these. Nice blue outsole, so these aren't gonna get dirty too fast. They're gonna look clean. And man, this is my favorite Jordan 1 low. This is my favorite Travis Scott collab. I had to get these. I spent quite a penny on these. So I'll put the Screenshot of the resale market right here. That's about what I paid for them. Market's gone down a little bit on these, so I paid a little bit more than what the current market is. I bought these a while ago. I bought these last year in 2022. This was shoe of the year for many people when this came out. And to me, it was up there. When this came out, it was up there between the Alma Manier 3s or these. And these are really nice. I mean, you can wear these a lot with anything. They look really good. They have a lot of height. And they're pretty much in a timeless silhouette. And that reverse swoosh really sets it off, man. Like I said, beautiful shoe. Now, this shoe is hype. It's a lot of people that try to fake these shoes. These go for a lot of money. They're kind of hard to get. So, I have a big suggestion for you guys. If you really want the Travis Scott one low, and you don't want to pay the Travis Scott prices, check this out. Boom! This is a copy of this shoe. You got a legit pair of Jordan 1 lows, and I put cream laces on these. And these are the Jordan 1 low varsity blues, or no, these are the Jordan 1 low powder blues. Great alternative to the Jordan 1 low Travis Scott. I mean, check it out, dude. Look at that. Powder blues, Travis Scott's. I mean, I will do a video comparing these two. Different shades of blue. Leather panels, very similar. Very similar leather panels. Of course, the quality is a little nicer on the Travis Scott's, but not by much. So I will be doing a review comparing these two. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. Share these videos if you know anybody that's interested in this shoe. Maybe this review helped. I realize I did not go in crazy detail, but I just want to show you guys how this shoe looks like in 2023. So, peace.